Okay, this is how I'm doing my Weeping Willow tree cake topper. It's made out of modeling chocolate with a straw and a dowel and some cake wires on the inside, and I just molded the modeling chocolate around it to make the tree shape. I have some kitchen string cut into short little pieces here, and what I'm going to do is fold it in half and make a little loop, and then at the bottom of that loop I grab it with the tweezers so that I don't get my fingers near the isomalt, because I have some melted isomalt here on the stove. Best temperature I found for it is where it's just starting to bubble on the bottom. If it's not hot enough, you're not going to be able to stick a whole lot of coconut on it because it solidifies too fast. It cools too fast. So this is the right temperature for it. And I'm just going to swish my string in there a few times, and then very quickly over here run it through the coconut and lay it flat. And then here are some that I already did, and you can see it has a nice little loop at the top, and then that loop is for bringing over here and sliding right on your branch. And that's how I'm doing my Weeping Willow tree.